Melis TV! Hello everyone, welcome to Melis TV. Today we are going to play Diggy. Yahoo! The hand spinner. Hand spinner. Look, you will see something new. Look, like this. When you spin them, it spins. So, right? And look down here. When I put it on, nothing? Well, let me show you. Look. It just spin on the table too. Even mommy had to. But I want pink and she got blue. I love blue colors and pink colors. They both are like blue colors. So I bought them at the fresh market. And also mommy can do this too. Even look down here. Look down here. Even she can do this. I mean faster. Or something. Fast. And I'm more faster than mine. And look, let's show her. Mommy, can I hold this and see who is keep going and never stop spinning this, and when it's still going and that one stops, that means I won. I need to keep this. Challenge. Spin! I get to get that blue one if I win. Come on, longer. She's getting lower and I'm lower. Oh. I'll keep going. Give me that. Now I get to get this. Yay! I get to get this.